I invite you to sit or lay in a comfortable position and breathe. I invite you to close your eyes and connect with your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose and allow your lips to open as you exhale through your mouth. I invite you to continue this circle breathing as I guide you through your self-love meditation. Notice how your mind begins to soften and relax. Notice how your body begins to soften and relax. Allow your mind to focus on how each breath enters and leaves the body. Allow your body to relax deeper and deeper, embracing every suggestion. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. You are love. Nothing that you do or don't do can qualify your greatness. You are great because you were born. You are here to love and be loved. In this moment, ask yourself, how will you use your unique greatness to love the world? How will you serve? Take a deep inhale and exhale. It is your birthright to feel free and to express yourself fully. You have a right to be happy, and you have a right to be loved. You are worthy of all of the wonderful things life has to offer. How can you love yourself up and nurture yourself so that you feel whole and complete? In this moment, I want you to visualize nurturing and loving yourself. What does that look like for you? If any limiting beliefs or judgments come up, just allow them to slowly float away. Release any shame, blame, guilt, or regret you have within you. Let any anger go. Let these toxic emotions drain from your body like water out of a bathtub. In this moment, ask yourself, what do I need? What do I need? Start to visualize what you need coming to you. Feel your level of gratitude increase as you visually start to receive all of the love and support that you need to thrive. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Allow this energy of having everything that you need fill every cell of your body. What does it look like to fully love yourself? What does it feel like to know that you are here for a purpose? You are here to love and be loved. No matter what you choose to do, if you come back to this reality, you will feel whole and complete. Take a deep inhale and exhale slowly. Know that by breathing, you are nurturing Mother Nature, and by inhaling, Mother Nature is nurturing you. So you are in complete balance of giving and receiving love. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. In this moment, repeat after me. I am love. I am love. No matter what has happened to you, no matter how many times you've been frustrated in the past, you can choose love in every moment. You can choose peace. You can choose to let go. You can choose to return to love. So in this moment, make a commitment to yourself. No matter what happens to you, no matter how you are challenged, make a commitment to yourself that you will return to love. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and start to journal any divine downloads or insights that came through. And know you are loved.